A nice technique when editing a flattened database from Data Manager in Excel, and there's a lot of data to take a look at. Down in the bottom left corner, just above the ready, there are two arrows that allow you to move to the right or to the left as you're jumping between worksheets. There's a little hidden button right here, which is a right context menu, allows us to see all the sheets. And now I can go ahead and jump to a specific sheet in the list. This is very helpful if you've got quite a few assemblies. I'm going to go ahead and jump all the way over to my line items. Now I have the entire database flattened out, and I can start taking a look at everything that is in Data Manager and make wholesale changes very quickly with searches and replace. As you see, it's very difficult to see all of these columns near from Q on over, which are WBS properties. A really cool technique, and it's right up here in the top left corner of the column header, and the row header is this arrow pointing in, which is a select all. Now that I've selected the entire worksheet, I can double click at any one of the column splitters, and it spreads everything out, so it's very nice and easy to see what I'd like to view as it comes across from starting in column A all the way to the very end when I'm at column AE.